Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum traders. Today is July the 9th. We just celebrated the Eid this morning and I have some good news for you. If you are following the market, I think we have reached the bottom in few sectors of the market. Stay tuned. I'll explain you why in a minute. My name is Yusri. I'm from Aatinaa Enterprise. I welcome you to the Funding Bulls, the 5 minutes video series that will give you the heads up in approaching the market. All right, what I have here is two charts. The upper one is the weekly basis and the lower one is the monthly basis. The lower one goes to 5 years back and the upper one, weekly basis, maybe just about 1 year, I believe. Yeah, 1 year weekly. And what I have displayed here, it is the XBI, that's the biotech sector within Spider. And this is what makes me excited, and this is what made me think that we have reached the bottom on the biotech sector. Look at the panel below, the monthly basis. You can see we start getting green and our indicator showing the up arrow, which could be the alert for trend reversal that what we might be seeing coming up. The upper one is the weekly basis of the same XBI, but clearly to show that the trend reversal already happens about 3 weeks ago and it goes continue up, and we've yet to see if this trend continue up and the price actually break above that 89.21 over there, maybe it goes to 90 or something. I think we have a good chance that this is real bottom on the biotech sector. I'm going to compare this to XLC. You can see XLC, we are still in the downward directions. Everything's still very red and I don't see any indication of start going up. The algo is not picking up any upward movement. So we have not seen the bottom yet on the communication sector. Different than the biotech sector that I showed you minutes ago. The next one I like to show is XLK, and we are not there yet. XLY, same thing, no bottom yet. And this is the pharmaceutical. This is probably like a sister of biotech. They are both in the health sector, and you can see we probably reached the bottom on it too. I see some indicator of trend reversal and I see start green candles, and in the last 2-3 weeks market start buying up again. Also notice the gray bar right there, that's the volume. So the last week the volume increasing quite a bit, so that's a good news. These are the two sectors that I believe have reached the bottom. Okay, now that you know which sector has reached the bottom or which sector will gain momentum, how can you get a benefit from it? So what you can do, you can watch my other previous video on how to scan and utilize to make a strong sector. So in this video I've scanned the biotech sector, which one would be the best perform in upcoming week. So these are a bonus for you. Biogen is probably a good one to start, keep your eyes on. Next one is the biomarine. In the last 3 weeks it goes up, but I personally would not buy this one. It looks pretty scary to me. Look at the PE ratio, it's in over 500, so that's way too high, it's way too expensive. And also look at the performance over the last 5 years. These are the earnings. The blue, it means they are above expectations, the earning, and in red they are below expectation or Wall Street expectations. And VRTX, this is probably one of the best in the biotech or pharmaceutical right now. Look at the earning. Since 5 years ago, they don't miss any expectation from Wall Street. The trend is keep going up in the monthly basis. The long term is doing very well. and also in the weekly basis is doing very well as well. I know we have some position in VRTX. Maybe we can start thinking of adding position to this one here. Look how their a fundamental ratio right now, price to sell ratio is 7.8, and free cash flow per share is about $9. That is very good. ROE is about 25, a little bit less than that, and PE 31. PE they goes into a little bit more, in category is expensive, but the other elements pretty good. All right, that's all I have for you today. I hope you find it beneficial, and if you like this video or our material, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. And again, this is Yusri from Aatinaa. May Allah bless your trading, and stay safe out there. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.